How to add WhatsApp group link in Instagram bio. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can add WhatsApp group link in Instagram bio. So let's dive in. So first you have to open up your WhatsApp app and open the group that you want to share the link for. And now you have to click this profile icon of your WhatsApp group, and then you have to scroll through until you find this option that says invite to group via link, and you have to click this option over here. And once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to click send link via WhatsApp, or you can click share link, or you can click copy link. I'm going to copy this link over here. Click copy link. Once done, now go back and open your Instagram app. Now click your profile icon on the bottom right corner, and then it's going to bring you to this page. On this page, click edit profile. Once you do so, it's going to open up this page for you, and on this page you have to click add links over here right next to this links section. And now you have to click add external link. Now you have to just paste the URL over here that you just copied. Just click this box and it's going to pop up with these two options, and you have to click paste. Now give it a title, WhatsApp group. Now once done, you simply have to just click down on the top right corner, and then it's going to add this WhatsApp group link to your Instagram, and that's how you do it. Now if you go back, here you have it. Thanks for watching.